What's up, everybody? JC here, back with another video, and we are back in the room, in the studio, back doing our normal thing. So I'm super excited to be back at it. The normal unboxings, reviews, informational videos, all that stuff. Not that the vlogs weren't fun, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the vlogs, and I haven't, at this point, I've only posted 2 out of like the 6 or 7. So I hope you guys enjoyed all of those. Let me know what I need to work on those, or what you guys prefer, and what you guys would like to see less of. So I'm always improving for you guys. And then also, I haven't said in a while, but if you have forgot or haven't entered yet or whatever, at 1,000 subscribers, I'm doing a Ultra Boost giveaway. I'm giving away 3 pairs of Ultra Boost. So link should be somewhere down in the description. Click that. Like this video. Comment if you have any questions, any concerns. If you want to say anything about the video, comment down below. Like the video, please, for me. Hit the subscribe button, because we're back doing what we do best. So today, of course, first day back, I have an unboxing for you, and I'm going to have multiple unboxings, but this was the one unboxing that kind of got through, and came on a day that my roommates were here at home, so it was able to be retrieved. All the other, I had a friend pick up, so he has about 4 or 5 packages for me also. So let's get into it. If you guys have seen my videos, I messed up my finger. So I already kind of opened it just because I can't get my finger in there. Wow, that was really hard. So this is an Adidas shoe. I ordered this so long ago I can't even remember what I got it for, but just know we don't pay retail for shoes. We don't pay resale either. We pay under retail for everything. Well, not everything, but you know what I mean. So I got these from Eastbay, I guess, and I didn't pay $180, that's for sure. Alright, so I paid $119.99 plus $5 shipping or $5 tax. $124.99 for a pair of NMDs R1 Prime Knit. You see it, size 13. This is the first time I'm seeing these in person. And whoops. We'll just pull the other one out. Right here, I don't know the colorway, but it's honestly like the glitch, the triple black glitch, but the only difference is it has this gray blocks on the back and the gray pull tab. So I was, like, I'm a big fan of triple black shoes. I'm a big fan of black shoes in general, just because it's so easy to wear with everything. So huge fan of these, especially when I got it for $120. They retail at $180, so it was a steal. Ordered these a very long time ago. I probably ordered these the first or second week of December. And I just missed them because we had left to the bowl game. So nothing to it. But the first unboxing, I guess you could say pickup of 2018, even though I picked them up in 2017. We'll go with the first unboxing. So the first unboxing for this channel of 2018 goes to this little guy, this little triple black gray glitch NMD PKR1. So I'm super excited to add these to the collection. Sadly, not sadly, because these aren't going to be hard to get, but these don't fit. I don't know if you guys remember, these do not fit at all. So then you guys are interested, size 12, going up for sale. And like I said, resale on that is pretty dead. You can get those basically for under retail everywhere. What else? You guys saw in my Miami vlog that they had these in stock, but the biggest size they had was a size 12. This is a size 12, so that's not really any use to me. So I haven't decided what I'm going to do with these yet. I did take the insert, whatever you want to call it. I took that out just to give it some more room, just in case. And then, like I said, my friend has a few other packages, and he won't get into town until later today. So as soon as he gets in town, I'm going to go pick this up. But other than that, we're just finishing editing the vlogs, hanging out with the roommates, watching the NFL games. Just got back from church, so that was good. And then probably just going to do some things around the house. I unpacked all last night. And the room is looking pretty neat. So I'm liking it. I'm liking that I'm unpacked finally, because lugging around all that luggage, I was just kind of starting to get annoyed. Let me pick the other shoe up. Lugging around that luggage around the city and the airport and just all break was just kind of getting annoying. I hate living out of a suitcase. So I'm happy to finally be back in the swing of things, the regular routine, all that good stuff. So we're just going to be doing our normal routine. Now that I'm experienced and I have 7 vlogs out, and I have experience of how to record, and I got all the jitters out because I've told you guys this right here. This is easy. This is easy to edit. This is easy to talk. No one's listening to me. No one's looking at me. But when I'm in public, for whatever reason, and it got easier and it got better, but it's just not normal to me, and it will be normal. Just like if you watch my first videos on this channel, I'm just like, hi guys, I'm JC. And now I feel pretty comfortable talking to the camera. I feel pretty comfortable talking to you guys, communicating with you guys. I don't know what you guys think, but I feel like I do a good job of like not like looking down at the ground and not stuttering, not mumbling. I do say a lot. I've noticed that in a lot of videos. I do need to quit that. There it goes. But there it goes again. It's just a process. Wow, now that I say it, I feel like I'm either saying it more or I'm focusing on it, so I'm noticing it. But we're going to try to finish this whole video without saying the rest of the video. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to end this video right now. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned to the channel. We are back to the grind, back to the unboxings, back to the reviews, back to the informational videos, back to doing what we do. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.